Okay, now we're going to see some information about the historical data. No fill, yeah. This area can be solid fill, yeah. Like this. The same as this, no fill. And this is solid fill. Here I can also remove the red lines. Here I'm going to show the title. Okay, and this will be equal to calculation here, this one. Okay, this one, same format. Okay, I can make it smaller. Okay, like this. Yeah, we don't need very big. So here you can see that we can also do this. I can also remove the line. No. Historical information. Okay, historical information. So we're going to do the following. This one can be also, yeah, this one and this one, just to, or we can is we are going to create from this table, select all, I select this, and then I click on insert pivot table, and then input region and totals, sum of total, and then here this one, the transaction date, I'm going to put in the columns, but I'm going to change this. Here's okay, we're going to move this. Take here, so I put this here. Filters, okay, and this one is going to be renamed. First of all, I'm going to filter by the top 10, top 1, okay, and option, I don't show the grand totals, okay, and this I'm going to call here this one. Yeah, exactly. I have to do for region, sales represent, select all, insert pivot table, an existing worksheet, this one, top values, it's the name of this one. I'm gonna click on here, this one, then I'm gonna copy this. Okay, I get this one. I'm going to change this with sales representative, top sales representative. Okay, and again I'm going to filter top 1. Okay, then this is for this here. Then we're going to copy this again, put it here, and here we are going to, first of all, product name, okay, top product, okay, and again we're gonna filter this for the first one, okay, and copy this, paste this here, top customer, okay, and in this case we have this top customer where again the filter, the top 10, select only one for this here. So here we are, we created a pivot table and we have these elements, and we're going to use these elements on our dashboard, and I will show you this in the next video.